If pandas and koalas could have a baby, would it look like this? What about a liger or a mule? Let's sort it out. In 1998, the Chinese scientists proposed a new species of panda, the white form of the giant panda. The white giant panda was said to be born in the mountains of Sichuan. And unlike its cuddly brown cousins, it was completely white with blue eyes. Could this be the panda equivalent of Snow White? Well, not quite. While there are some white pandas in zoos around the world, they all have brown eyes, and no blue panda has ever been found in the wild. In fact, blue eyes in mammals are pretty rare. There's only one other giant panda with blue eyes. And like the white giant panda, it's in captivity. It's possible that blue-eyed pandas are just albinos. But if that's the case, why aren't all white pandas blue-eyed? And if they're not albinos, why do they have blue eyes? Scientists need to do more research before they can say for sure. But what about a mule? Mules are almost always born with one brown parent and one white parent. So why are they always brown? Well, it's because the gene for coat color in horses is sex-linked. That means the gene is located on the X chromosome. Since males only have one X chromosome, they will express whatever gene is on that chromosome. Females, on the other hand, have two X chromosomes. So if one of their X chromosomes has a recessive gene for a brown coat, they will be brown. A male with a brown coat will pass his brown X chromosome to all of his daughters, but none of his sons. That means that if a white horse with a brown male, all of their daughters will be carriers, but only the daughters. All of the sons will inherit the father's brown coat. If the male carries the recessive gene for a white coat, however, he can pass that gene on to both sons and daughters. Now, if a white horse with a white male is mated, half of their offspring will be white. But what about a liger? Ligers are the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger. They're almost always bigger than their parents. But which parent contributes what body parts is random. So some ligers have a tiger's stripes and a lion's tail, while others have a lion's mane and tiger's stripes. And while size is generally bigger, it's not always bigger than either parent. Now, since we're talking about big cats, do you know why cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world? Click here to find out, or click here to watch this video instead.